Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to insert the Nano Memory Card and extend your storage in your Huawei P50 Pro. So before we begin, just take a look at the Nano Memory Card. This is a pretty new card, and the size looks like it is a SIM card, a nano SIM card, but it isn't a SIM card. It's a new technology from Huawei, and you can use this Nano Memory Card to extend your storage. And you can see here it's from HP, from Hewlett-Packard, and it's has 128 gigabytes of space, and there are also 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, just how you want it. And just take a look here at the Huawei P50 Pro. I go to my settings, and when I am here on my settings, I click on storage. And you can see here used 20 gigabytes from 256 gigabytes. So I can clean it up, but you can see here I have 32 megabytes of images and 3 megabytes of videos, and especially images and videos just take a lot of space on my Huawei P50 Pro. So if I use this Nano Memory Card, I can change it so that every single image and video now go on my Nano Memory Card, and then my Huawei P50 Pro will stay clear. Okay, so how do we put the Nano Memory Card in this Huawei P50 Pro? So you need your box, and in this box you can find here this little metal needle, and this metal needle we can perfectly use it, or we can use here the standard paperclip. Okay, where we must put in the Nano Memory Card, and here you will find the place we must put it, and you can see this will open, and if I want to open it I must put something in it, and then you can use the SIM card ejector tool, or you can use here your needle, and then I just press it a little bit and then it will open. So pretty easy. And then you can see this has two sides, and the first side will show here, I hope you can read it, it's SIM1, and this it's the other side is Nano Memory. So now we must put it in this side, and it will only fit in one way. So like this, just try it again. Okay, now it's fit in, and now we put it back again, hole on hole, and I just put it back in, and now it's in the Huawei P50 Pro, and now we will use this Nano Memory Card for your storage. Now we can again go on settings and go on storage, and then you can see here I have my internal storage and I have my memory card, and here I have my memory card, and here you can unmount it to take it out, or you can format it, and you can change here. You can use images, videos, audio, documents, archives, and installation packages, and you can see here the default location is always the internal storage, but you can also change here the default storage location. Make sure your new storage location is secure. Before switching locations, your phone will restart to apply this changes. So when I change this, all of images, videos, audio, and so on will be on the memory card and not on my internal storage, and you can use it like you want to. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.